Alright, good students. As you can see, you are given algebraic expression to simplify. In this case, we are given 4s in bracket 3x minus 2y bracket close plus 5y in bracket s plus 3y bracket close minus 7sy. And then you are asked to find the coefficients of s squared and x respectively in the expression s plus y, s plus 1 multiplying 2s minus 3 bracket close plus s minus 4 squared. So we have to solve these problems one at a time. So let's look at the first one. So let's look at the first one. First of all, before you can solve this type of problem, you have to look at the given expression in the bracket and see if there are common factors of the expression. Unfortunately, 3s minus 2y, s plus 3y cannot be factored out from these two terms. So for that reason, we have to expand the brackets and collect like terms. We have to expand the brackets and then combine like terms. So this is the first thing we have to do, since the terms in the bracket are not the same. So this means 4s times 3x will give us what? 12x squared. 4s times minus 2y will give us minus 8y. X minus 8sy. And then we have plus 5y times x will give us 5sy. 5y times plus 3s will give us plus 15y squared minus 7sy. So at this point, the next thing is to collect like terms. These two terms are not the same, but we can combine, we can put them closer together. We have 12s squared because they have the degree are the same. 5y squared, 15y squared minus 8sy plus 5sy minus 7sy. So that gives us 12s squared plus 15y squared. So the next thing we have to do is to look at these terms that are common. So in order to perform the arithmetic operation on these terms, we have to consider their coefficients since the variables are the same. So only add or subtract the coefficients. That in that case, minus 8 plus 5 will give us what? Minus 3. Minus 3 minus 7 will give us minus 10. So we have minus 10 and then you write the variable. So that is the result of the simplification. That is the result of the simplification. So the second thing is to find the coefficients of s squared and the y squared respectively. So let's clean here. So we now know that the simplification of this is equals to 12s squared plus 15y squared minus 10sy. And that is the answer. So we have to find the coefficients of s squared and x in the expansion of this term, in this expression given. So how do we do that? How do we find the coefficients of s squared and the x in the respectively in the given expression? So the first thing you have to do is to, since this expression, the terms in the bracket are not the same, so you have to expand the bracket. You have to expand the bracket and combine the like terms as we did earlier. Expand and combine like terms. Expand brackets and then combine like terms. So here we begin by expanding the bracket. S times 2x will give us 2s squared. S times minus 3 will give us minus 3x. Plus 1 times plus 2 plus 2s will give us what? Plus 2x. Plus 1 times minus 3 will give us minus 3. So from here, you have to apply the special method. Square the first one, will give us s squared, multiply the first term by the second term, will give us minus 4s, times it by 2, will give us minus 8x. Square the last one, including the sign, that will give us plus 16. So, from here, we'll combine like terms, 2s squared plus 2x. 2s squared plus x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 8x minus 3 plus 16. So you combine what? Like terms. In this case, we have that 2x squared plus s squared will give us what? 3x squared. You see, perform the operation in the coefficients. Minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 minus 8 will give us minus 9. You bring the variable. Minus 3 plus 16 will give us plus 13. And that is the. Once you came to this point, you can now find the coefficients as specified here. So by looking at our own expansion, we can now find the required coefficients of each of the. We are asked to find the coefficients of s squared and the x. So from here, the coefficients of s squared from the expansion is what? Is 3. And the coefficients of x is what? Minus 9. And that is the required answers. So if you enjoyed this video, before you go, do me a favor, click the subscription button to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share, others will be aware of this free video I'm giving to you. Click the subscription button whenever there is new update. You'll be the first person to receive the text. See you in the next free video. Bye for now.